In question 3, you have to find the smallest number by which the following numbers be multiplied to obtain a perfect square. First of all, I have taken B part 7935. Find the prime factors of 7935. As last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5, divide it. 7. Now it is divisible by 3. Now 529. It is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, not even by 11, 13, 17. Yes, it is divisible by 23. 23 to 46, then it is 3. So we get the factors as 5, 3, 23, 23. Only 23 is in pair. 5 and 3 are not in pair. To make this number a perfect square, we need to make the pair of 5 and 3. How you will make the pair of 5 and 3? Multiply both sides by 5 and 3. Now, you got the pair of 5, you got the pair of 3. And 23 is already in pair. Do the multiplication. 7935 into 15. Multiplication. 35 into 15. Yes, but you get 119025. 119025. And here you can write them in sequence to form the pair. 119025. Now you need to find the square root of this number. It is very easy. These are already given in pair. So if you have to find the square root, put the sign of square root. It will be 5 into 3 into 23, which is equal to 345. This is our answer. And few students also put square root sign over here. That is absolutely wrong. Don't do that. Okay. So in C part it is given 1575. First of all, we will find prime factors of this number. 3, 1, 5. Again it is divisible by 5, 63. This is divisible by 3, 21. Again 3, 7. So we get the prime factors as, you can leave it over here also, because you know 7, when we divide 7 by 7 we will get 1. So you can leave it over here if you obtain any prime number. Okay. Now 5 is in pair, 3 is in pair, but 7 is idle. And whichsoever number is idle, we have to make pair of that. So 1575 should be multiplied by 7. Do the multiplication. 11025. Now if you want to find the square root of 1025, just write the prime factors of this number, which is equal to 5 into 3 into 7 pairs. So the square root will be 5 into 3 into 7. 15 sevens is equal to 105 is your answer.